Hey everyone, so as you all know, ChatGPT and just AI in general is taking over. It's utilized in many, many different ways. And myself as an entrepreneur, as a content creator, I use AI and all sorts of forms of technology in a variety of different ways. And what I'm doing now is something I think it's ever been done, where I'm gonna have a conversation with ChatGPT here, and we're gonna discuss haircuts. And I'm gonna see if ChatGPT here can actually respond to me in a way that could potentially help you maybe get a better haircut. What's going on? Why are hair professionals not doing a good job? So this is gonna be really, really interesting. I think this could be possibly the first time it's ever being done. So good morning, ChatGPT. How are you today?
Good morning, Stephen. I'm fantastic and ready to chat. Let's dive into the world of haircuts, because I bet we can uncover some gems for your viewers. What's the first thing you're wondering?
Well, I want to know, firstly, how can someone find a local good barber shop, whether it's or a hair salon? Just the biggest question that I get personally is, Stephen, or Salon Guy, how do I find a good barber shop or a good hair salon? I'm tired of going to 15 different places. No one can cut hair like you. And I tell them to go on Google Maps and just to look around to see what's available. But I like to know your perspective of how can someone find a good place to get their hair done?
I love that question. Honestly, it's a mix of detective work and intuition. Check reviews, yes, but go deeper. Look at consistency in those reviews. Are people praising specific stylists by name? Also, check social media. If a salon's work speaks to you visually, that's a great clue. Finally, trust your gut when you visit. Energy and communication tell you a lot.
So, all right, so that's a great thing. What about when somebody finds a spot or place on Google Maps or whatever maps they're looking or going online? Actually, somebody suggested to me, a barber, John, he said people can go on ChatGPT like you and ask you for who is good in your area. Is that something that people can do? Ask ChatGPT instead of going to maps?
Absolutely, they can. I can help surface top-rated salons or barbers nearby based on recent reviews, reputation, or what's buzzing. But I'd always say use me as a guide and then do your real-world gut check too. So yes, bring me your location and I'll help scout.
So what would somebody do? Walk us through what would somebody do, a consumer who maybe they're new in the area or they've been having, bad haircuts and they're like, I'm tired of this. They go on a ChatGPT and they say, all right, help me find us. What should they be asking you specifically?
They should give me their location, whether that's their city or neighborhood and what kind of style or vibe they're after. Are they looking for a high-end salon, a trendy barber, or someone who's great with a certain type of cut? The more specifics they give me, like budget, hair type, or even if they want a particular service, the better I can narrow down the best options.
Okay, that sounds good. Any tips on when the customer will call the actual location? Should they be saying anything like, hey, I'm new, I've never been there before. Do you have anyone who specializes in X, Y, and Z service? Because a lot of times I find people that just call up and then the receptionist just gives whoever's available. And being that I've worked in salons for so many years that I know how that game is, where sometimes the salon or the barbershop culture is, whoever's the next available, they get that new customer. And that could lead to a whole bunch of things. What if that hair professional doesn't do that specific type of job or it's not their specialty? So should a client, when they call up, be saying or asking for anything specific to get the right experience?
100%. They need to advocate for themselves right away. When they call, they should absolutely mention they're new and be super clear. They can say, I'm looking for someone who specializes in type of cut, color, or style. It's totally fine to ask who on your team is the best fit for that. If they just settle for whoever's free, they're rolling the dice. So steer the call with confidence.
Okay, let's talk about the next question. Why is it, do you think, that hair professionals just are not doing a good job at hair? Does it come down to just skill? I mean, look at all my videos that I post on on YouTube and social media, I'm getting so many people saying, oh, I've been to so many salons, no one can cut hair like you. Who cuts hair like you, salon guy? Help me, help me. And I'm like, what I say is like, it purely comes down to skill, but how can hair professionals get better, and how can a client get a better experience?
You're spot on. It's largely skill, but also passion and continued education. Great hair professionals never stop learning. Clients should look for pros who stay updated, attend workshops, follow trends, and keep their skills sharp. For pros, I'd say never get complacent. Keep pushing yourself creatively. For clients, ask for consultations, and don't settle until you find someone who's committed to their craft. That's where the magic happens.
Well, thank you, ChatGPT, for this interesting conversation, and I look forward to connecting with you again for another conversation next video, and hopefully all my viewers enjoyed this. So thank you all so much. I'll see you soon.
It's been awesome, Stephen. I'm glad we could dive into this. To everyone watching, I hope this gave you some clarity, and I'm always here to help. Until next time, take care and go get that perfect haircut.